Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change font in Google Forms. So first go ahead and open up this form, and all you need to do once you have your form opened is click on this icon near the top panel. It's called customize theme. Okay, so once we click on this, we can change the font of the header, the questions, the text, anything here, even the colors. Can do a lot of formatting options. So I need to click on this font. There we go. And now I can choose from any of these. So I just select any. Let's say Verdana. Select this, and there you go. The font has changed and increase the size. If you want to add more fonts, just click on more fonts right here. And you are able to search through a lot of different fonts. They're available. It's almost endless. You just keep scrolling down, select whichever one you would like, then click on OK. And there you go. It's really that easy and simple.